as colourless and pink?
No.
Litmus. Good.
In biology, you study plants and respiration and their reactions. So, yeah, respiration and photosynthesis. You also study about courtship behaviour of animals, a lot about human anatomy and our metabolic processes, so our respiration. You learn a lot about ATP and how we make, how it's an energy currency molecule and how we use it for anaerobic respiration and aerobic respiration. One of the best pieces of practical work I've done in biology was solidifying some chloroplast into an ethanol bath and watching it respire. So we measured the amount of gas that was being produced while shining light on it to see how well it was photosynthesizing. In chemistry, we learn about kinetics, the way particles move and how they collide and react, and a lot about equilibria, so in equilibrium mixtures, the concentrations of certain reactants, products, and working out your Kc, which is products of your reactants, to see how well, how many products you're getting out of your reaction and how efficient it is. In maths, you study AS, C1, C2, and either S1, M1 or D1. I studied S. And in A2, you study C4, C3, and M1 or S2 or B1. Yeah, C stands for core, and it's the basics of maths. So about your factorising, your timesing, it's core maths, your differentiation, your integrations, your bit maths, and using it together. Statistics, S, is mainly about everyday life, so figuring out, we're using graphs to figure out data and predict certain data. Mechanics is mainly to do with a bit of physics, so motions and forces. And decision is about the best processes and working out the most efficient way to get somewhere. My favourite topic in maths would most definitely be C1, C2, because they're the core, they're your foundation for maths. Without them, it's very difficult to know much about maths. I'm part of this project called HEAPS, and I went to a 1 week residential to Cambridge, and I studied chemistry while I was there. Had an amazing time working in the chemistry labs. I got my place through HEAPS from Burlington Danes. They offered me that, and I took it, and had an amazing time at Cambridge. It's nice to meet new people when you go out to things like that. Next year, hopefully, I will get the grades to go to Bristol and I'll read chemistry. I plan to do my masters as well.
We haven't talked about
No.
litmus.